Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it's from the 144 PrintHouse and Race Studio. If you know whose Formula Drift number that is, then you know who this is from. So here I have two shirts. I have one team shirt from Nate Hamilton's print racing team, and then I have one to support my buddy Grant. This one is his first design. Comes in a nice bag. It's a little taller on me, so it goes from my collarbone down to a little bit past my thighs. I don't know how tall my torso is, but you can see here, put in the wide mode. Ooh, chopstick is in the way. But you can see here, 333, one of Grant's primary sponsors, Valvoline. His last name, BC Racing, Holly for that EFI, DW for their fuel system, 144 for the PrintHouse, and then Tire Streets for those Accelera PHIs. But overall, love this shirt. Got to support the homies when you can. Looks really soft, but like heavy duty at the same time. So hopefully this lasts long. Wear this on a race weekend or work on the car. Good thing it's black because you can't really see black stains. And then on the back up here, you see 144 Racing, and I got this in the medium. If I ever get any future shirts, I might get it down to a small, just because there's a lot of, for me at least, there's a lot of excess material down here. But that's it. And then on to the Hamilton Racing team shirt. Super cool bag. You can see here Hamilton 144, nice little graphic, which is actually really cool. And then PHIR, which is the I guess one of the versions of Accelera tires that they use. Nice Ziploc bag. And then this shirt seems to be the same way. It's a little bit on the taller side, so there's this extra material down here. And then you have his sponsors, Recaro, BC, Golan engines, which they make phenomenal LS engines. And then Sabon Carbon. And then on the side, on the sleeve here, you have DW, DEI, VP Racing, Grip Royal. And is there anything here? Oh, and his signature and the 144 logo. And on the back says PHRS and Accelera. Good tires, decent tires. But yeah, same thing. Seems really soft but heavy duty at the same time. Excited. I've met Nate Hamilton a couple times. My first time I met him was probably FD 2017, 2018. I remember he was with Enjuka Racing at that time. But super excited. Team wear is always nice, and he won the first round of the LZ World Tour. So congrats to him. Curious where he's gonna go next. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.